Greta Thunberg, One Voice Global Impact. It started with a quiet protest at just 15. Greta Thunberg sat alone outside the Swedish parliament with a handmade sign. School strike for a climate. Few noticed at first, but her message was clear. Why go to school for a future that's being destroyed? Greta's solitary act grew into a global movement. Young people around the world began striking from school, demanding real action against climate change. What made Greta stand out wasn't just her knowledge of climate science, but her fearless honesty. She spoke at the World Summits and to global leaders, unafraid to call out hypocrisy and demand responsibility. She didn't sugarcoat the truth. Her words were often uncomfortable but necessary. Greta wasn't interested in fame or approval. She wanted change. Her activism reminded people that courage doesn't require power or age, just conviction. Greta Thunberg may not have a political power, but her voice became louder than the most. She proved that one person, armed with truth and determination, can inspire millions. Her story is a powerful reminder that change begins with someone dares to speak up.